Well, hello guys, I'm at Sharmans. I'm just picking up some parts from on work experience. Sorry for a lack of videos, but I was actually karting last night, so that's why I didn't come. But I was going to do a quick video just here. I haven't got my tripod, but just quick walk around. So it won't be very long, but anyway. So we've got a nice Case Puma 240 here, CVX, very nice wheel weights, and this Sumo sort of trio. Another Optum, 2 Optums over there, 300s. Then we got a Puma 165 multi-controller. You might have seen this from the other video, with Dalvo power rolls on the back. Very nice. What have we got over here? Got some major cyclone flails. Ollie Blogs have one of these on demo. Various weight blocks, other stuff. Wow, got an icon here. I have not seen one of these in the flesh yet. 4220 icon. Right, okay. That's quite nice. Looks like someone's already bought that. But yeah, that's very nice. I would go inside, but it's locked because it's the day. Because it's the day afterwards. But if I'd come, obviously I'd show you inside. That's not part of their stock. Got another Puma 220 here, multi-controller. Got a green JCB Fast Track 4220. That's a bold colour. Usually only good tractors come in green, but right, so it's got the front flail, McConnell front flail, Nokian sort of road tyres on it. I'm assuming this will be done for the council contracts, and another large McConnell. Is that a 6 metre or is that an 8 metre? 6.5 maybe. Flail head trimmer on the back. Then we've got a Batwing special edition in the grey, Batwing multi-cut, spearhead. What we got here? We got another Puma, no, Maxim 150. Oh, that's a CVX as well, so that's pretty nice. Front weight on, wide tyres on the back. I'm not being too technical, I'll be honest. I'm just a quick walk around what's here. 4220 icon there. Very nice. Front linkage and front PTO. Bailey sort of beaver tail here. I know quite a few people with these. Ollie Vlogs has got something similar, so you can put this in and out if you want it bale trailer mode, or when you're transporting stuff it can go down so it's like a ramp. Very nice. They're built very well, these kind of things. Well, that is a big combine. 9250. Not all this shiny kit, which not many people buy because everyone has a Deere or a Class. But yeah, it's not bad. We got that is a big grain trailer for that size tractor. 165 Puma multi-controller on an 18. Yeah, looks like an 18 ton. Another 220 on a Sumo multi-press here. That looks decent bit of kit, but it's missing a few duckfoot top points. But yeah, this would be a similar tractor to what I'd be hiring, so it's nice to see one in the flesh. But not sure if I want a case or not yet.